Welcome to another episode here on Your Digital Makeover. My name is Jerry Colbert, and in today's episode, we're going to go over how you can export a summary of what you have done right here in TickTick. And it's all coming up next. So in today's episode, we're just going to go over a little bit about how you can export a summary of what you have done here in TickTick. Sometimes that might be useful, but why I don't really know, since I haven't actually done it or had any need to do it. But in case you, for some reason, want to, here's how you do it. So as you see here, we have TickTick open up here on the web. And if you go over here, you will see a summary tab right here in the sidebar, right? And when you click on that summary bar, right here, it gives you a list of everything you've done by date and all the stuff in case you ever want to export it. Like I say, for what reasons, I have no idea, but I'm sure there is a reason. Down here at the bottom, you'll see an export button, and you also have a copy button. Up here, you have other icons that you can use to sort by list, by task name, by priority, assignee. Over here, you have a check marks you can do for completed dates, progress, detail, focus data, lists, right? And here you can have a drop down thing of showing just this week, or maybe last week, or this month, or last month, or even a custom date. And so that is how you can export a summary of what you have done here inside of TickTick. And like always, I hope this was very informative. And if it was, don't forget to hit that like button right down below. And if you want to see some more of these awesome videos here on YouTube, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And in order to get notified, you have to hit that notification bell. And with that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Take care.